why it's important to invest early. Let's say this is you at the age of 20 years old at yung budget allocation mo lang for your investment is 1,000 pesos per month. If you're going to do this for the next, sabihin natin, that's a clock by the way, sorry lang sa drawing natin, 30 years of your life, that's giving you 10% dividends or interest or even capital appreciation. Yung total na capitalization natin ay umabot ng 360,000 pesos. Alam mo ba na after 30 years of doing this, yung 360,000 pesos mo ay magiging 1.9 million pesos. Ito kasi yung effect ng law of compounding. And here's the good part. Even if hindi ka na mag-add ng 1,000 pesos per month, after you got this 1.9 million pesos, tumutubo pa rin yung pera mo. For example, for the next 10 years ulit at 10% per year, yung 1.9 million mo ay magiging 5.2 million by the end of another 10 years. That's why we keep on saying na hindi kailangan na mayaman ka in order for you to start investing. Rather, you need to start investing early so that eventually yayaman ka. We are only using 1,000 pesos per month as an illustration. Kung mas malaki yung budget mo, mas malaki yung makuha mo na pera eventually. If ever may tanong kayo about finances, feel free to put it sa comment section.